In this video, I will show you how to multiply a binomial with a trinomial. First step, I am going to distribute the x through each of the three terms in the trinomial. X times 2x to the second power is going to be 2x to the third power. And the reason why it is to the third power is because we have three x's multiplied together. We have 1 here and 2 more here. Now, x times negative 3x is negative 3x to the second power because we have two x's being multiplied together, and now x times negative 1 is negative 1x. Then we will distribute the 6 to every term. 6 multiplied with 2 is 12, and we have an x squared. And notice how I put the x squared on top of one another. So I am lining up the like terms, which will help us later on when we combine like terms. And then we have 6 times negative 3x, which is negative 18x. And finally, 6 times negative 1, which is negative 6. Now to combine like terms to get our final answer, we have 2x cubed, and then negative 3 plus 12x squared is positive 9x squared, and negative 1 minus 18 is negative 19x, and finally we have the negative 6. For this example, we will begin by distributing the 2p. 2p times p squared is going to be 2p to the third power. Then 2p times p is 2p to the second power. And then 2p times 8 is positive 16p. Now to distribute the 1 times p squared is 1p squared. 1 times p is 1p, and then 1 times 8 is positive 8. Now to combine like terms to get our final answer, we have 2p to the third power, and then for the p squares we have 2 plus 1, which is 3, positive 3p squared. And for the p we have 16 plus 1, which is 17p, and finally bring down the positive 8. And for this example, it looks like it's written backwards. We have the trinomial first, multiply with the binomial. But when multiplying, it doesn't matter what order you multiply, so we can still distribute the 3y. 3y times 2y cubed, the 2y squared is going to be 6y to the third power. 3y times negative 6y is negative 18y squared. Then 3y times 3 is positive 9y. And now to distribute the 1. 1 times 2y squared is 2y squared. Then 1 times negative 6y is negative 6y. And finally, 1 times 3 is positive 3. And with all the like terms lined up, we can combine like terms. We have 6y to the third power. For y to the second power, we have negative 18 plus 2, which is negative 16, y to the second power. 9 minus 6 is positive 3, y, and then positive 3.